Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So the first step is just open up the Snapchat application and then you just have to tap on this chat icon in the bottom and now tap on this search icon here. A search bar appears as you can see. You can search the username of the person you want to add from here. I'm going to search for your random username just for this video. As you can see, these accounts appear here. If I go ahead now and tap on here add, then they go to know I have searched them up and I'm going to show how to add them without them knowing you search for their username. Tap on the profile photo of the person here. You will be taken to the profile of the person. As you can see, if you add the person from here, then still they will get notified that you searched them up. To avoid that, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. A section with options comes up as you can see. From those options, tap on send profile to. Now you will be taken to this page where you can send the username to anyone. We are not going to send this to anyone. What we have to do is tap on this option here named copy. The link to the profile will be now copied as you can see. After that, open the Chrome browser and now in the search bar, now just tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and now from these options you just have to tap on this new incognito tab. After that, in incognito or private tab will open up as you can see. Next, paste the profile link we copied from the Snapchat and now just proceed with the link. You will be taken to the profile of the person inside Chrome. As you can see, you will see this pop-up informing you Chrome wants to open the Snapchat app. Tap on here. This will take you the Snapchat app and you will be taken to the profile of the person. Tap on here add friend and the person will be added without them knowing you search them up. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.